Every movement begins with an impulse. Deep inside beats the heart of sensing innovation. Autonomous together, intelligent systems moving in harmony, driven by navigation technology, supported by inductors. Every door leads us to new destinations. Every drop counts. Data flows like invisible waves. A moment of contact gives information meaning. Sensing, measuring, and analyzing. Cities are living networks, vibrant, interconnected, from boundless expanses to the dynamic movements of progress. Behind every connection lies an inductor. Rhythm of life, a never-ending pulse that drives us. Every beat extends our life. An invisible network awakens. Every link, every surge brings us closer to the source, the heart of wireless data transmission. In a world where communication has become invisible, there is a bridge between innovation and resonance. Life and sound waves are translated into important data with the help of inductors. And at the beginning of every journey is a masterpiece, built to communicate with the future.